This is still anybody's game with 10 needed from 6. It's 137 for 5.
62 not out. Worked that nicely. And it's gone for 6. What a shot that is.
Brilliant under pressure. Tilak Verma. This is magnificent. It's come right out of the screws. And he's picked the bones out of that one as he smashes it into the crowd. There's Gautam Gambhir. He knows the importance of that hit. What it does, it's just 2 needed now for India. And bang! It's over. It's India who win the Asia Cup. For the 9th time, it's been a thrilling final. Rinku Singh, first game of the tournament. 1 ball he plays, puts it away to the boundary.